Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So hope you can hear me today. Gonna walk down through the bars now. We're still not sure what's happening next month with all the COVID passes and whatnot. So we'll have to wait and see till we get something official. I've been told both ways it's been extended for another month, and I've been told it we got rid of on the 31st. I think the best thing they could do now is get rid of it and just start dipping in the pot. For the compo, they're going to have to pay out. If the rumours that are coming out of the Premier League are true, which we think. Yeah, I don't know if you've seen the rumours coming out of the Premiership. These vaccines causing heart problems. I don't know if it's one particular one or what. But yeah, if that comes out true, the government's going to be paying out a lot of money. And as in some places in the world it's been enforced on you. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if it'll ever come out in my lifetime, either. So guys, I hope you can hear me alright today. I'll put the boost on if it's a bit quiet. Yeah. Then the answer is a new phone, but can't afford that at the moment. Anyway, we're going to have a walk down by the sea. You know the type of videos I do, guys. If you want anywhere filmed, let me know. So we're really running out of places.
I think I'm hallucinating. I swear I've just saw a dog with blue hair. Got a bit of hair on its head. I swear it was blue.
Marcus dog, eh? I hope you guys are all well. It's a bit better day in BENIDORM today. 18 degrees. We're going to have a look down there sometime today, I think. We'll see what the bars are like now. Bit of a test video this one to make sure the sound's okay now. Always suffering because of this. What do you think of this new thing YouTube are doing with the subtitles? Seems a bit strange to me, that, because they say themselves they're not perfect on it. So there are a lot of things that could be said. Hey, their machine takes it wrong, their computer, and puts something else in to make a whole lot of difference. Look at the lights. There we go. Stores down that way. All your clothing down there. Forget, try it on, guys. Things are a lot smaller in Spain, aren't they, Marcus?
Yeah.
So we're gonna carry on down now. Have a look down the bottom and see what's happening today. So definitely a better day today. More clothing up that way. It's like a bit of a clothing market, really. You got a name up there, Marcus?
No.
No. Yeah, just hope the weather's breaking now. It's been cold this year, mind. And the end of next month things will start opening up again. See what's left then. King shut over there, shut up for winter. I think they did shut up a bit early, but yeah, they know how many people are getting through the door. What I have forgotten to do is looking very bright, that is on the camera. What's going on with it? There we are, back down by the sea. Look, there'll be a few on the beach today. 18 degrees, they normally come down. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you on the next one.